Our next topic is on database management. So at the end of this session of today, we will have a good enough understanding of DBMS architecture, database structures, database controls, database reviews. So what is database management? So it aids in organizing and controlling and using the data needed by the application programs. So these are basically fields which are at the lowest level. So this control users access to database, programs and database, transactions and the database, program and data field, user and transactions, and user and data field. What is a DBMS architecture? Database Management System Architecture. So you would have a detailed metadata. So within this, each DDL component is used for creating the schema representation necessary for interpreting and responding to user requests. Or you would have a data dictionary or a directory system. So it helps define and store source and object forms of all data definitions for external schemas, conceptual schemas, the internal schemas, and all associated mappings. Database structure. So it would be hierarchical. So it could be hierarchy of a parent and a child data segment. Could be network based database model, which it consists of a set formed by a owner, record type, member, record type, and name. Could have the relational database based on the set theory and relational calculations, and object oriented database management system, which would have informations which are stored in form of objects. Now there are two concepts out there, which is encapsulation. So it's creation of a data type, and inheritance. It's the class which is inherited in it. So database control. So what are the various controls we would have on the database? Why is it required in the first place? It's required so as to maintain the integrity and availability of the database. So these controls could be in the form of a data backup, access controls, controls to handle concurrent access problems, follow database restructuring procedures, and use database performance reporting tools so as to know how the database is performing. So database reviews. So why are database reviews done basically? So it reviews the design, it reviews the access, it reviews the administration, the interfaces, portability, and database which are supported IS controls. With this, we come to an end of our session of today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.